Hello, we are in Unit 3, Chapter 7, page 84, 85. Grammar 1. As we've said before, every grammar box that you see in the book, you should write down in your notes and then practice saying it many times. Present continuous tense statements. I am not making the bed. I am making the bed. I am not making the bed. You are making the bed. You are not making the bed. Say these with me. I am not making the bed. I am not making the bed. You are not making the bed. You are not making the bed. He is not making the bed. He is not making the bed. She is not making the bed. She is not making the bed. We are not making the bed. We are not making the bed. You are not making the bed. You are not making the bed. They are not making the bed. They are not making the bed. So present continuous is using am, are, is with an ing verb, ing. Is making, are making, am making, are making. Okay, that's the continuous. So we have the regular verb, clean, and it becomes cleaning. Get becomes getting. Write becomes writing. Look carefully at this. Do you see a spelling rule? Okay. If it ends in a consonant and a long vowel, E, we just add ing. But if it ends in a consonant with a short vowel, we have to double the consonant, so 2 T's, to protect the sound when we add ing. So cleaning, getting. We had to double this consonant to protect the short vowel. And the third rule, if it ends with an E, we have to drop the E when we add ing. Drop the E when you add ing. Okay, so copy the sentences into your notebook. Copy the sentences into your notebook. Then fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. You're going to hear me say it, practice saying it with me, and then do your recording, your writing. She is eating lunch. She is eating lunch. What is she doing? She is eating lunch. We are, if we look back up here, we are writing. We are writing in our notebooks. We are writing in our notebooks. And how do we spell write? Ing. Drop the E when you add ing. Writing. We are writing in our notebooks. We are writing in our notebooks. What are you doing? We are writing in our notebooks. What is he doing? He is washing his hair. So we just add ing. He is washing his hair. What is he doing? He is washing his hair. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are cleaning the classroom. They are cleaning the classroom. They are cleaning the classroom. What are they doing? They are cleaning the classroom. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is making the bed. She is making the bed. She is making the bed. Remember the spelling rule? If it ends in E, drop the E when you add ing. So she is making. She is making the bed. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are getting ready for school. They are getting ready for school. What are they doing? They are getting ready for school. Brushing her hair, brushing her teeth. They are getting ready for school. What's the spelling rule? Double the T when you add ing to protect the short vowel. So double the consonant. They are getting ready for school. Rewrite the sentences in exercise A using isn't or aren't. So say the opposite. We're going to write it as a negative now. Isn't or aren't. She isn't, they aren't. I'll say it with you, and you're going to write it down. She isn't eating lunch. She isn't eating lunch. We aren't writing in our notebooks. We aren't writing in our notebooks. No, we aren't. We aren't writing in our notebooks. He isn't washing his hair. He isn't washing his hair. No, he isn't washing his hair. They aren't cleaning the classroom. They aren't cleaning the classroom. No. She isn't making the bed. She isn't making the bed. No. No, she isn't. They aren't getting ready for school. They aren't getting ready for school. No, they aren't. Okay, Grammar 2, Chapter 7, page 85. Grammar 2. Be sure you write this down in your notebooks. In your notebooks. Present continuous tense with what questions? What am I cooking? What are you cooking? What is he cooking? What is she cooking? And then we have the answers. What am I cooking? You are cooking enchiladas. With me? What am I cooking? You are cooking enchiladas. What are you cooking? I am cooking enchiladas. What are you cooking? I am cooking enchiladas. What is he cooking? He is cooking enchiladas. What is he cooking? He is cooking enchiladas. What is she cooking? She is cooking enchiladas. What is she cooking? Let's undo that one again. What are we cooking? You are cooking enchiladas. What are you cooking? We are cooking enchiladas. What are they cooking? They are cooking enchiladas. And drawing your attention here, what is? The contraction is what's. So what's he cooking? What's she cooking? Read each answer. Write the question it responds to in your notebook. Use what's or what are. She's reading a history book. What's Liliana reading? What's Liliana reading? She's reading a history book. He's cleaning the windows. What's David cleaning? What's David cleaning? He's cleaning the windows. They're making enchiladas. Mom and Dad, okay. What are Mom and Dad making? What are Mom and Dad making? They're making enchiladas. What are you eating? What are you eating? I'm eating lunch. What are you eating? I'm eating lunch. We're studying math. You. What are you studying? What are you studying? We're studying math. Make sure you've written that down. You're writing down the questions. Present continuous tense, yes or no questions. Write this down in your notes. Practice saying it with me. Am I studying? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. So for are not, we say aren't. Are you studying? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he studying? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is she studying? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are we studying? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you studying? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are they studying? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Okay, so practice saying these. And of course, we could change this verb. Are we? Are we eating? Are we swimming? Are we playing? Are we singing? Any verb you could use. Okay. Is he singing? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Okay. Read the conversation, then listen. What are you doing? I'm helping my sister. Oh, is she studying? No, she isn't. She's making cookies. What are you doing? I'm helping my sister. Oh, is she studying? No, she isn't. She's making cookies. Practice the conversation with a classmate and make a new conversation using other phrases. What are you doing? I'm cooking dinner. What are you doing? Okay. Try that. We're looking at Grammar 3 in Chapter 7, page 87. In your notebooks, object pronouns. Make sure you're writing this down in your notebook. An object pronoun replaces a noun in the object position. Again, an object pronoun replaces a noun in the object position. Grandma, that's the subject, is helping, that's the predicate. Here's the object position. Grandma is helping Mrs. Guysmith. Grandma is helping me. So the object pronoun replaces a noun in the object position. This is the object position. Subject, predicate, object. Remember, use an object pronoun after the verb in a sentence, after the predicate or the verb. Grandma is helping me. Grandma is helping you. Grandma is helping him. Grandma is helping her. Grandma is helping it. Maybe it is the cat. I don't know. Grandma is helping us. Grandma is helping you. Grandma is helping them. Subject pronouns and object pronouns. This is a very important chart. Very important for you to know. Write it down, study it. The subject of a sentence, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Those are subject pronouns. Object pronouns after the verb in the object position are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. This will save you many mistakes if you learn it now. And let's practice that. So copy these sentences into your notebook. Fill in the blanks with the correct object pronoun. She is drying them. She is drying the dishes. She is drying them. So we have our subject, we have our verb, we have our object. The object is dishes. The object pronoun is them. She is drying them. We are helping Mom. What's a pronoun for Mom? Now, Mom is a she, right? But that's a subject pronoun. I need the object pronoun. We are helping her. We are helping her. Carlos is burning the sauce. Carlos is burning it. Carlos is burning it. Dad is eating a cookie. Dad is eating it. Grandma is helping I? No, that's a subject. Grandma is helping me. Grandma is helping me. Now look at the sentences in practice A that we just did. Look at those sentences in your notebook. Write yes or no questions for these sentences. Use object pronouns, then write short answers. For example, looking at number one, is she drying them? So she is drying them. Is she drying them? So we change the order for the question. Is she drying them? Yes, she is. So change the order for number 2. Are we helping her? Yes, we are. Are we helping her? Yes, we are. Is Carlos burning it? Is Carlos burning it? Yes, he is. Is Dad eating? So remember, we changed the order. Is Dad eating it? Yes, he is. Is Grandma helping me? Yes, she is.